I'm Jerry M. Alangilan Jr., CS311. I teach you how to connect Microsoft Access to Microsoft Visual Studio. First, go to Microsoft Access, then click blank database, then create. Click view, then design view, then okay. Input a field name, example, first name, data type text, and last name, data type also text. Then click save. Then go to Microsoft Visual Studio. Click new project, then Windows Form Application, then okay. Click new data source, then next again. Click new connection, then browse. Click database tree, then click test connection, then okay. Next, click next, then no, and next again. Then check the table and finish. Then drag the table in the Windows Form application. Then run. Enter a name, example Jerry, then Alangilan. Click save, and we go to Microsoft Access to see na mapupunta yung in-encode nating name. Go to Microsoft Access, then click the database tree, then check the table, and yan, nag-save po yung sinave nating pangalan dun sa Microsoft Visual Studio sa Microsoft Access. Thank you. Ganun lang po ang pagko-connect ng Microsoft Access sa Microsoft Visual Studio.